Hello everyone, welcome. Now we're going to go into intelligent diagnosis with the X431 PADIII 2.0. From the home screen, we're going to go into Diagnose, and then we're going to hit Auto Detect. From here, with the VCI connected, it'll automatically read the VIN and populate the VIN into the tool. So from here, we'll go into Diagnostic. Then once that loads, we're going to go into Next. Click OK. So from here, we go into Health Report. And when you click Health Report, it'll automatically scan every system on the vehicle and check for codes. So from here, as you can see, there's 3 codes pending for this vehicle. So once you go through and do your diagnostics, you could enter every system, or you go through at the end and clear the codes using the Clear DTC button at the bottom right. All right, so from here, we read the codes. So the ECM has 3 codes. So we're gonna go through and enter into that system. Press OK. All right, so from here, we could go into the data stream. And you go into anything, motor operating values. From here, you can go through and select whatever PIDs you want to look at. We're gonna go through and select all, and then press OK. So from here, you can see them in list form. We could also view it in graph form. If you wanted to select a PID individually, you go into individual PIDs. And you could even compare them, different PIDs side by side. Next, we're going to go back. Once you're done diagnosing the vehicle, you just go into Clear Fault Code. Press yes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more launch products.